This calculator on Windows doesn't do it automatically. But you could put into scientific notation, that is. But like I said, you could just do this first part, so it would be equal to 15.3561 times 10 to the exponent 23. So remember, if you bring this over, you're changing it to 1.5356 times 10 to the 24. So you don't need to count it out like I did, but either way would work. Or like I said, some people have, or most handheld calculators will turn a big number like that into scientific notation automatically. And that's how you do that question. Which is answer D in this case. Okay, question 7. Balancing equation, we change what to balance each side. So remember, if you have a compound like this, or if we have, say, for example, 2 NaCl, or more specifically 2 MgCl2, here we have our coefficient, and here are our subscripts. Which happens to be 1 for magnesium, but you don't show it, right? So this is your subscript, and this is your coefficient. So we change the coefficients when we are trying to balance equations. Remember, if you change the subscripts, you're changing the molecule. But if you're changing the coefficient, you're changing how many of those molecules there are in the equation. So then the last question, give in order the correct coefficients to balance the following reactions. So H2SN Cl6 plus H2S goes to SnS2 plus HCl. So a good thing about having like a list is basically you could just put them in. So if we put 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, and 6 here, what we have in the reactants is, for hydrogen we have these hydrogens, so there's 2 here and then 2 times 2 there, so 4 plus 2, so we have 6 hydrogens. We have 1 SN over here, 1 SN, and we have 6 Cl, right? So that's the one compound right here. And we have 2 sulfurs, right, from this. And the products, we'll look at the same thing in order here. So we have 6 hydrogen in the reactants. Over here we have 6 in front of the HCl, so 6 H's. That means we have 6 Cl, and then we come over here. So 1 times 1 is 1 SN, and 1 times 2 sulfurs is 2 sulfurs. So in this case, it happens just to be the very first set of coefficients. So to write it out more nicely, I guess I'll try to write it. It's hard on this little sketch pad. Our equation would be balanced by going like this. A little nicer, I think. And there we go. Remember, 1s you don't show, but you show the 2 and the 6. And that, I believe, is the entire test. So hopefully that helps you guys out. And let me know